Rio Grande Valley Vipers, Marcus Hubbard.
Dumating na sa Pilipinas ang 5 NBA legends at 6 na D-League players para sa NBA Asia Challenge 2009. Ang mga NBA stars na sina Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Tim Hardaway, Vlade Divac, Dominique Wilkins at Robert Horry ay nakipagsanib sa kina Derek Dial, Chris Ellis, Marcus Hubbard, Russell Robinson, Lonnie Smith, Billy Thomas at Coach Rory White.
We don't have any expectations. We just want to come and have fun and introduce NBA basketball. By the way, you got a lot of D-League players that have been brought here along with ourselves just to make it very entertaining.
And really myself is, I think the thing about basketball, once you go into the league and you play and you do well, fans appreciate the love and support that you give them back when you do things like this. So this reception has been one of the best I've ever seen because, I mean, they come out in the groves and they love basketball. We're very appreciative of that.
Susubukan ng NBA team ang PBA team na binubuo ng mga legends na sina Alvin Patrimonio, Alan Caidic, Ronnie Magsanok, Benji Paras at Kenneth Duremdes at present superstars na sina Winnie Arboleda, Dondon Ontiveros, Mark Pingris, J.R. Reyes, Arwin Santos, Asi Taulaba, Joaquim Tos, Enrico Villanueva, Joseph Yo at Coach Yeng Kiao.
Sa akin siyempre, sobrang saka exciting. Ayun, sana mag-enjoy kami sa sila mag-enjoy.
Ang salpukang NBA-PBA ay darao sa Biyernes ng gabi sa Araneta Coliseum.
This Friday since we're all warmed up already from Korea. So let's hear it one more time, Mr. Vlade Divac, Mr. Kim.
Mark Suba para sa Sports Update.
Dominique Wilkins, Coach Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.